Do you have some strawberries that are coming out of wintertime and they need some spring care? I do, right behind me there. So come with me and I'm going to show you how I get my strawberries ready for the spring. So my Juneberry strawberries did really well over the winter, which they normally do because we have mild winters here in zone 8. I did put a few pine needles in between the plants. So my everberry strawberries did well, but I do need to prune out any dead or diseased dry leaves. So I have my container here. I'm going to clean out any diseased, dead, dry leaves, and this way all the energy from my strawberry plant will go into growing me some good, delicious, healthy strawberries. Also, if you have any runners at this time, you can cut them off or you can add them into your bare spots of your container. Okay, that didn't take long at all. Now we will go to the elderberry strawberries and get them ready. Just move over here. So my next step is to fertilize, and normally I like to fertilize with compost, and let me show you the compost I have here. So this is mushroom compost. I'm going to put some of this between my strawberry plants, and I'm also going to give them a granular fertilizer, and that is this fertilizer here. And I'll just sprinkle it in between the plants like that and all over. Being careful not to cover my crowns up. That's the fertilizer. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the compost. Sprinkle some of that in there, all around. My apologies for the camera shadow in the video. I just noticed it after I finished filming the video. Thanks for joining me for today's video, and remember, keep those strawberries hydrated, especially if you're going to give them some fertilizer. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.